Hey Joshua, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is an air fryer. If you can see, it's from this brand right here. So what's really cool about this air fryer right here is the fact that not only does it work as an air fryer, but there's a total of 7 different functions that's in use on here. So number 1, obviously is in use as an air fryer. Number 2, you can use it for baking. Number 3, they do have a big convection option. Number 4, they have a broil option. Number 5, they have a broil convection option. Number 6, they have a grill option. And number 7, they have a defrost option on here. So it's definitely a lot of different functions that's on here. So I'm actually open this up and show you guys what actually looks like inside first. So there's definitely a bunch of protection layer that's in here, but let's take it out. Alright, so once we take out the top layer, you can definitely see that there is the air fryer right here. When we look at the inside of the package right here, you can definitely see there's a bunch of stuff inside right here. But let me actually take everything out and open up that box as well and show you guys what everything looks like first. Alright, so once we take everything out right here, this is basically what is actually included inside. So they provide guys a baking tray right here, and then right here is the grill rack. And right here we do have the air fryer basket. And right here they do provide guys like a handle option. So they also provide guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use as well. So these are all the different trays that's in here, and also the handle part right here. And inside the actual air fryer is supposed to have another tray, which should be the crumb tray. Alright, so right here you can see we do have the product once we take it out. You can see it actually looks like a high quality material that they use on here. Especially if you guys feel the top part here. It feels really smooth. But basically, as you can see right here, we do have a lot of different buttons on here or different switches. So right here, we do have the air frying option, and they have different degrees on here from 200 to 450. So you can definitely turn it left and right here. And right here, we do have a timer option. So we have off option and up to 60 minutes right here. You can see the timer option definitely does work. And then right here, we do have the function option right here. So when you guys look at the function option right here, they only have like a symbol on here. So if you guys don't know what each one represents, they do provide guys instruction on the instruction manual. So you see in this page right here, they show you guys what each one is. So that symbol right there means bake. This one means air fry. This is bake convection. Here is broil. Here is broil convection. Here is grill. And here is defrost. So that is basically what the symbol means right here. You can see some of them has the defrost option and also the baking option on here. And then for the last option right here, we do have a oven switch right here. So if you do want to use the oven option, you can definitely adjust the temperature on here as well from 200 to 450. And right here we do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or off. And then obviously right here we do have the handle part. So you see right here we do have the 2 tapes on the side and 2 on the bottom. So I'm actually move those first. Alright. So I did remove all the tape right here. And while I was moving the actual tape in the bottom part right here, you can see this part that slides out. That part is basically the drip tray. So if you guys have any liquid or any crumbs that falls down, that is basically actually will fall down right there, and you basically pull it out to actually clean it. And also if you look in the bottom part here, they do have the anti-skid material. That way the product won't keep moving around once you guys set on the table. But I'm actually flip it back to the other side and open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, let's open it up. And then see, this is basically what the inside looks like right here. So you definitely just slide in all your trays in here. And then see there's 3 different sections on here. So I just put the trays inside right here to show you guys what actually looks like first. So right here the first one. So just slide it in just like that. And then right here we have the next one. And then see how it goes in so easily. It definitely has a good support on there to actually hold the stuff inside. And then for the last one right here, which is the air frying basket, you probably want to put it on top right here. So that way I can fry stuff inside right there, and all the crumbs will actually fall into the baking tray. And I'm assuming for the handle part right here, if you guys don't want to touch the product because it's too hot, you guys can go like this and pull it out very easily. And if you guys can see the top part right there, they do have the air frying option inside right there. And also you can see right here, they do have the logo as well. But this is basically what the product looks like in the front part right here. Let me actually show you guys what the side looks like, and also in the back part looks like as well. Alright, so when you guys look at the side, this is basically actually looks on the side right here. So I'm assuming when you guys are using the product, it might have some air or hot air that comes from the side right here. But I am for sure that in the back part right here, you can see they do have the ventilation right here. So hot air would definitely go through the back right here. So you definitely don't want to put anything right here because it will get hot. But this is basically actually looks like in the back and the side right here. And you see right here, we do have the cable. So you definitely want to plug this part in to actually activate the product. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys take it out. So I'm actually go plug this in, actually test it out to see how well it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. So the option that we're using right here is the air frying option with the convection and the fan option right here. So I'm going to turn it on to 375. And then we're going to turn on the timer right here because we're presetting it first. So I'll just do 30 minutes for now. And then see how it turns on right here. And once you guys activate the product, you can definitely see how there's a light inside right here as well, which is automatic. So the light basically stays on until it's off. So we'll come back and check on it once it's preheat. Alright, so we just finished preheating it. So let's add it in. Alright, so you're gonna close it back up. And just set the timer for however long you guys need. And basically when you guys are using the product on the side right here, you don't want to touch it because it's pretty hot. And the same thing for the back part right here as well. There's some hot air. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put the stuff inside. So we'll come back and check on it once we're done. Alright, so it's almost done. Alright, so it looks like it's done. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like once you guys finish it. So it doesn't look like there's a light option for you guys to turn it on, which kind of sucks. So the only way for you guys to do that is by turning this switch right here, and it turns on the light. So that's a little bit of an inconvenience. So the product definitely does work, but there's definitely a lot of things that could be improved on here or added to make it even better. Alright, so let's use the handle option right here to actually take it out. So basically you want to go like this, and make sure it's stable. Once it's stable, you guys can take it out like this really easily. And you see how stable the product is. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to take it out. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that it's a quick test, our product definitely see it actually does work. Only thing that's not really easy to actually use is the symbol that's on the function button. What they probably could have done is put it in words. So that way it's actually easier for people to understand what they're turning on or what they're turning off. But definitely over time when I use it more and more, I will know. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Not unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality air fryer that has all the other functionality that's on here as well. Such as the baking option, the oven option, the broil option, the defrost option, and so much more. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.